Alright, what's on everyone? I'm Tristan and today we're back with another video, and today what I'm going to be doing for you guys is we're going to be comparing a Gucci wallet right here, so you guys can see we got the pattern all on it right there, a Gucci wallet to Louis Vuitton wallet, and we're going to be doing a comparison. Now this isn't the best Gucci wallet, but I think it's a fair comparison of both that we can review the quality because they're both made of different materials and both. We'll get into all that, so we're going to be reviewing Gucci wallet versus Louis Vuitton wallet and really seeing, well, which one's better and I guess more worth your money if you want to answer that question right here. So hope you guys will enjoy. It's not going to be too crazy of a video, but that's what we're doing, so I think it's going to be a fun one. If you guys want more content like this, go ahead and let me know down below and let me know what you think of each wallet. You know, we're going to get into it, you know, let me know what you think, your thoughts on each one. These are just some ones I have right here, so those are probably going to be sold. So if anybody wants either of them, let me know in the comments. I'll be selling them, so you offer a price, go ahead. Yeah, if you guys want more videos like this, go ahead and subscribe below and let me know. And also drop a like in this video too. See if we can hit, let's say, 100 likes on this one. So if we can drop a like, I'd really appreciate that. Every single one of y'all does it. I'd really appreciate it. Seriously, thank you all. The love as always. So we're gonna get straight into this one. Follow me on both my Instagrams too, Tristan.Wig, CLT Steelers. Follow me there. That'll be in the description there too if y'all want to go follow me from this video. But it's been a long enough intro, I think. But yeah, let's get into the comparison. So Louis Vuitton wallet, Gucci wallet, which one's better? Okay, so first I'm gonna go over the Louis Vuitton wallet. So basically what we got here is we got this material. I don't know what it is, but I know y'all hear it shaking. It's not gonna do anything. But basically, just going over the details, you got like a checkered pattern right here. Excuse me, right there. But yeah, basically just got a checkered pattern. You just got a darker brown and then a lighter brown, and basically right there just says Louis Vuitton Paris. Very simple details. We know about this kind of stuff for most Louis Vuitton wallets on both sides. So there and then right there. So there you can see that. And then on the inside, basically, you got a pocket for some coins or whatever you know you may please to hold in there. I don't know what y'all holding. Let me know down in the comments. What would you use this pocket for? If you have a pocket like this in wallet, what do you use it for? 100% honest answer. Self snitch. Go ahead. But basically, yeah, then you got some obviously, you know, some stuff right there. Hold your cards, all that stuff right there. And then you got, you know, got too much cash in your wallet, ain't gonna fold, just like Smoke Perp said. But there you go. Just basically, you know, put your cash right there and then it fold like that. This wallet's very good. I'd say, you know, the quality's overall decent. Obviously, this is a used wallet, so you can tell this has been used. That's why I'm selling it. I mean, this is really used. You can tell by the like stuff right here, but it still goes for a good amount. Like it's still probably 200 for this. So that's pretty good. But really looking into it, I mean, it's a nice wallet. I liked all the quality and stuff with it. I mean, this is also good quality. This is like nice material. I don't know the names of any of the materials, I'm sorry, but like this is kind of like not leather. I mean, it's very easy to tell, but like right inside on here, this is 100% leather. This little portion right there, you see him touching it with that finger. This is leather. You can tell that this feels like a canvas material, kind of. I don't know the name for it, so if anybody could describe it to me in the comments, but the outside just kind of feels like canvas, and same with right here. But going over this one, I'm gonna give a Louis wallet a 7 out of 10. I mean, this one at least, you know, because the condition on it, it's a 7 out of 10 probably, but overall Louis Vuitton wallets are pretty good. I'm gonna give it so like 7 to 8. We'll just say 7 to 8 just to be safe, but this is a good wallet. Definitely say if you were paying around like 200, this would be kind of worth it, because it's good quality. It lasts a good amount of time. Like this wallet's been used for quite a while, and I mean, it's holding up decent. It's not the best, but there are some other wallets that hold up better, which we're going to get into eventually, because I think I do have an opinion on Gucci wallets that are different than Louis Vuitton wallets. So this one, it's good quality. It lasts a while. I'm just unsure of what the material is, but the design on it's pretty sick. I mean, everybody can recognize this sort of pattern. We all know about the Louis checker pattern, so this is very well renowned. And you know, obviously the inside is quite like, look, with all the usage, this is pristine. It's just the outside that's damaged, but the inside's held up really well. So that's why I would swing it more towards like 8, 8.5 maybe. But I'm really gonna leave it just like 7, 8 out of 10. Unsure of how to really rate the Louis wallet, but that's why I give it pretty good. And next up, we got the Gucci wallet right here. So you can tell this is kind of an OG pattern. As you can see, just got the double G's going all around. And this one, I mean, it's been used. You can tell slightly, but it's been just as used as this wallet. And look at the condition on this one. This one is a lot better. You can tell the material's different. Like this is a really nice leather material. But then you got a pocket right here with the same thing. What would you use the pocket for? But you can close it right there. Just opens and closes. You can tell. So you put coins in there. So it closes like that. And basically, then you got a bunch of spots right here to hold your cards. I don't really need to describe that again. Hold your money. This one actually can hold a bit more. You can tell this is able to hold more money because it just, you know, it's a bit more, you can stretch it out a little bit more. I don't want to break the wallet there doing that, but I really mess with like the OG kind of pattern on this. I prefer some of the newer ones that like have the snake, and those ones are canvas, but those ones are a little, I don't know, I just think the designs are cooler. So design in this one, I don't think it's anything too crazy, but I mean, you can still tell it's Gucci if you looked up close and, you know, I guess knew a little bit more about some of their older logos and stuff they use, but they still use this one. So I mean, it's not even older, it's still in use. I don't really know what I'm going on about there, but giving a comparison to this one, the material on this one is better. So Gucci wallet material is better than Louis wallet material. I'm just gonna say that straight up. So shout out to Gucci on that one. I mean, this is a very nice leather material. You can tell this one's even, it's a bit more worn on the inside though. This one, because the material is different, it's a leather material, it's a lot more sensitive, so you can tell the leather in this one, material on the inside of this one has been a lot more used, or it's just been worn down a lot more than the material on the inside of the Louis wallet, because that's just like a canvas versus real leather kind of comparison there. So I mean, this material isn't as durable, but it's currently in better condition. I mean, they've both been used for the same amount of time, so that's kind of like arguable, I guess. But I guess what I meant to say was on the inside, the material is not just going to hold up as nice as maybe a Louis wallet, if you kind of care about that, which I mean, that is a big deal. It's just this one may start to appear a bit worn just because it's real leather. It's going to, you know, be a little bit more susceptible to weather and things like that. But obviously this one has not held up as nice, the Louis wallet. So quality is better on this one, and the design is better on this one right here, the Louis wallet. So it makes it really hard to decide which is better, but I'm going to come down to a consensus right here. So what I think on what wallet is better, and the reason I'm saying it, I think the Gucci wallet is better. Now, this isn't just me being a hype beast and going with Gucci. No, they're both nice. They're both very nice. I'm very glad to have both of these. But the thing is that this one just has not held up as well. I mean, you can tell by the corners and all that. And I mean, yes, the design is more dope. Like, in terms of design, this one wins for me easily. But in just overall with quality and like just general, like as a wallet, this I think is a better choice. You can just tell, like, I mean, look, like the outside looks pretty solid. Like, I don't really see any damage to it. It's just like on the inside, you know, it's a bit worn. But overall, I mean, I think this wallet would be better for its actual purpose. I mean, what else could you use a wallet for other than what it's meant for? I don't know. There's something you can also let me know in the comments. What do you use your wallet for except for its actual purpose? I don't know. But yeah, I do think Gucci wallets are better than Louis Vuitton wallets. I mean, this one may be slightly more expensive, but I think if you were to have to pay the extra price, I'd much rather go for a Gucci wallet. That's just how it is, giving an honest comparison. But design, I'm picking Louis. Some of the newer designs I would maybe pick Gucci because they got some fire ones there. But even going with the OG wallet, I prefer the OG Gucci wallet over this kind of newer Louis wallet. I mean, I prefer the design, quality, you sort of get what I'm saying. So which is better? I'm gonna go with Gucci wallets are better than Louis Vuitton wallets just for this one. Even though, you know, Louis is kind of the OG with wallets. I get that. Chill out comment section, but it's my opinion. Gucci wallets are better than Louis Vuitton wallets. For design, Louis is going to take the dub on that one. So shout out Louis taking the dub in design. Gucci's going to take the overall, in my opinion, just how I sort of feel about it right now. Comparing these two wallets, okay? There's two different wallets. Maybe the design was a lot more dope on this one and made a different material, you know, our opinion would change. But don't forget, it's subjective, it's my opinion. I don't really need to say too much other than that. So yeah, let's roll that outro. Anyways, hope you guys did enjoy this video. Don't forget, I'm Tristan. If you guys want to go follow me, it's all in the description right there. You can go check me out. That's also right by the subscribe button, which I'd appreciate if you guys to subscribe if you're new. And don't forget, hit that notification bell to get my videos, because YouTube sometimes isn't sending out my videos. So if you want to guarantee to get them, just hit the bell. You may not even get all those. I really can't send you any guarantees now with YouTube and my videos and them sending them out, because some of my videos get the views and some don't. I don't really know. But I'm not going to say too much more. I'm still going to produce content because I love doing this. So thanks for watching, guys. If you're still here, let me know in the comments for sure if you're still here. So yeah, I'm not going to say too much more, but that's Gucci wallet versus Louis Vuitton wallet. Is it worth your money? Which one's better? That's sort of the comparison. Honest or not, I think it's honest. I give my opinion. We know. But yeah, subscribe if you're new. I already said that. Okay, I'm just going to stop repeating myself. Drop that like, 100 likes, and see if you can do that. And yeah, I'm Tristan. I'm out. I'll see you on the next video. Peace.